eMath is an open, adaptive learning courseware that gives you, the instructor, the ability to create, deliver, and manage an instructor-led adaptive learning experience for your students. eMath's intelligent ebook content can be easily customized and augmented to suit your particular curriculum objectives, sequences, and course delivery settings. You can create and manage assignments and grades, monitor student activity, and create remedial assignments for students based on their knowledge mastery statuses. Your customized ebook and assignments are synchronized to create a seamless transition for students between the classroom and eMath. At the top of any page in eMath, you will see account tools, including My Courses, where you can view other sections or courses you teach, My Account, where you can view account information and change your password, Help, where you can view troubleshooting topics, My Message, where you can manage sent and received messages, Discussion, where you can manage a discussion board for your class, and Sign Out, where you can terminate your eMath session. Also at the top of every page is Go to Student View. This allows you to view your course as one of your students so you can get a better understanding of the flow of student work from starting a recommended task or study guide to using remedial features to improve mastery and assignment grades. When you log into eMath, you will be brought to your homepage. In the case that you are teaching more than one section or course, you will be brought to the My Courses page. The homepage contains 3 subpages: the dashboard, personal and class performance, and class roster. The dashboard displays an overview of your course using 4 topics: how well my students have learned, where you can click the pie chart to view your students' strengths and weaknesses, class assignment grade average, which displays recent assignment submissions, at-risk reports, which shows you who is at risk of failing or falling behind with options to intervene, and student progress on assignments, which displays the number of students who have submitted by assignment, the average number of submissions, and the average time spent on each assignment. You may use the drop-down box to view individual student data. The second subpage, Personal and Class Performance, displays a bar graph with class and student averages on each assignment. The third subpage, Class Roster, lists your students in alphabetical order and displays their eMath enrollment date, confirms whether they have activated, and shows whether they are still in your class or not. You may click the check mark underneath the Active column to show that a student has withdrawn, and you may filter your student list using the drop-down menu. Clicking the Assignment tab takes you to your course assignments, where you can manage questions, settings, and due dates for your assignments. In some cases, only the course coordinator has the ability to change questions within a pre-created assignment. Scroll over Assignment Management, where you can click to create a new assignment, reorder assignments, show and hide assignments, distribute assignments to other sections, or remove an assignment from the eMath system. Click Create a new assignment. Give the assignment a name and filter category. This category does not affect the gradebook. If you are a course coordinator and want the assignment to apply to all sections, do not check the box next to Current Section Only. If you are not a course coordinator, check the box next to Current Section Only to ensure this assignment is only added to your section. Add text, links, and images to the instruction body. Click Add Content, then select Type to select the type of assignment you want to create. This determines which category the assignment falls under in the gradebook. The left column displays study guide type assignments, which only contain ebook content. The middle column displays question-based assignments, which contain selected questions and ebook content. The right column contains a learn and drill based assignment, which requires students to achieve a mastery level of your choice in one or more concepts. After selecting the assignment type and clicking Confirm, click Select Content. Since we chose a question-based assignment, there are 3 steps to this process: select questions, assignment settings, and time sharing. On step 1, select questions. Click the drop-down box and click Select Question. From here, you can expand the knowledge structure of your ebook to find the types of questions you want for your assignment. To view the details of each question, click the question body and you can view the objective and prerequisite concepts related to the question, a detailed solution, an answer, and a hint. To select the question for the assignment, click the checkbox next to the question number. Once you have selected your questions, click Show Selected Questions to review your selections. If you know a specific question number from past use, you may type the question number into the Add Question box. Additionally, you may click Select More Questions and select existing questions from the drop-down box to use questions from previously created assignments. To remove a question, click the red X. You may adjust the point value for the question, and you may click and drag to reorder questions. When you are finished, click Step 2, Assignment Settings. In this step, you can determine the time allotted for each attempt, how many attempts students get, how to score multiple attempts, when to show students their results and solutions, set a password to access the assignment, allow students to complete the assignment after the due date for a reduced score, display help info for each question, display the check answer feature for each question and how many times it can be used per question, and when to show the Learn and Drill and Work on My Weakness remedial features and determine if they count towards students' scores. At the bottom of Step 2, you can create a custom setting to apply to specific students or sections. Once the settings are complete, click Step 3, Time Sharing. Click the drop-down box under Start and End to select default dates, or click the calendar to select specific dates and times. To adjust the calendar time, left-click the hour or minute box, hold, and drag to the left or right. You may also type directly into the input box to adjust the date and time. To apply any due date settings made in Step 2, click the checkbox under Due. If you prefer that the assignment is not accessible after the due date, click the Enforce box. If you would like to leave the assignment open throughout the course, uncheck Due and uncheck Enforce. You may create custom time settings for specific students by clicking the icon under Users for the section the student is in. The student's name will be displayed in red text, and you may adjust all settings in Step 3 for this student. When you are complete, click Confirm, then click Save on the next screen to save your assignment. You may click Edit Time for multiple assignments, which allows you to easily change due dates and added attempts for multiple assignments. You can override start time and due time of all assignments with the same settings, ensuring you click Confirm to accept the changes, or you can edit start time and due time for individual assignments, ensuring to click Save to accept each change. As the course coordinator, you can also copy these settings to other sections. Click the eBook tab to view the book structure and your class's mastery status in each concept area. You may create a remedial Learn and Drill assignment for selected students by checking the knowledge points you want students to practice and click the Assign arrow. In the pop-up window, Step 1 displays the knowledge points you selected, and you have the ability to choose more from the knowledge structure. Step 2 allows you to assign which students in your section you want this assignment to apply to, and you can set the required mastery status that each student must meet. Step 3 requires you to set a start and end date. To finish the assignment creation, click Next, where you will enter an assignment name, select the assignment filter from the drop-down box, and click Save. The selected students will see this assignment the next time they access their assignment page. Click the Gradebook tab. By default, you will see your class assignment average by assignment type. You can filter by student name and/or assignment name to get a more detailed view of trends, overwrite students' assignment scores, download the gradebook, and upload grades. Click the subpage Weighted Total to set weighted settings and view your class's performance by weighted average. Click How Well My Students Have Learned. You will see 5 subpages. The At-Risk Report gives you a good picture of who is falling behind or is at risk of failing in your class based on your students' knowledge mastery status, grade average, and assignment completion. You can intervene with one or more of your students by emailing them or assigning them a remedial practice. On the Knowledge Profile subpage, you can click a status category in the pie chart or one of the status categories below the pie chart to view the knowledge points that at least one of your students falls under in each category. You may also click the drop-down box above the pie chart to compare a student's mastery status with the class. Click Create Remedial Learn and Drill for selected students. The knowledge points that are displayed pertain to the status category you selected. The students that fall into the status category for each knowledge point are displayed on the right. Select the knowledge points you want them to practice, then click the Assign arrow. Click the Assignment Mastery subpage to view the mastery status of knowledge points in each assignment by class or student. You may also create a remedial learn and drill assignment from this subpage. Click Formative Assessment to view the objective coverage of each assignment by chapter, section, topic, and knowledge point. You may also create a remedial learn and drill assignment from this subpage. Click Item Analysis to view student answers item by item, giving you a better understanding of what objective or prerequisite concepts students need to work on. In summary, eMath supports your effective course management, including course design and delivery, assessment and reporting, and collaboration and communication. The functionality and flexibility of eMath's features give you the power to create and manage customized, adaptive learning courses and provide reporting and intervention tools to support informed instruction and remediation along the way.